Alright, let me check if the audio sounds fine. Seems perfect. Let's go. Oh, just me move OBS over here. Alright. Alright. Let me load the default palette. Let me save this. I did some cleanup in my file, in my layer, in fact. Now I'm ready to start. Okay. How shall I start? The project for now, I don't know if you remember when maybe I'll just show you. Give me 2 seconds. So Godot, run. Let me put the editor to play screen. Alright. So what we're gonna do now. So as you may remember, when we click on the perk, nothing happened. As you can see, it isn't activated. When you go on the checkpoint plate, it does activate. All good and dandy. And when you're there, you can do nothing. Okay. So let me just, I'll let the game run in the background. I mean, you won't see it, but I'll see it. Because I'm just gonna bump up as if right. Let me put it somewhere that it's not. You know what? I don't. I kind of. No, I don't actually need it. So I'll just. I don't actually need it to run. So yeah, what I want to do is when you click on a perk and you're not on a on a checkpoint plate, I want a visual clue that indicate that you cannot activate the perk, but I want something to happen when you press the button. It's important. It's important to give the player feedback that its input has been registered, but it's not happening for a reason. So I want to make it a kind of when you try to click in on a power plate with a visual probably right error on the screen and kind of flash red, not too aggressively, because flashing blue and red, it's not a good idea. No, you don't do that. It's something you don't do in art. At least that's what I was taught. Is it teach? Taught? Whatever, you know what I mean. So So what do? I know I want a big word. I'll just put it on the text. I want a big word in pixel art. Error. Error. I just want to know. Error. ERROR. Alright. So yeah. And I want it kind of red. Oh, Jesus. I want it to be kind of red, maybe a bit more flashy. Because, I'll pop up there. I already need, I'll left the game running in the background. I changed my mind again. Can I just... Sorry for the black flash. Do you see it? If I do that, yes you do. Yeah, because it needs to flash on this place. Maybe I can just do a blue. I'm really not sure what I want to do as a visual. But I don't want to mess with this in code. I don't want to move stuff around. At first I thought about changing the bottom to a red bottom, but then I think of locking the whole system. You're still gonna be able to move around and click, not click, but see the description of your active perk and the description of the perk you didn't activate, obviously, because I know the description is the same everywhere, but it will change when you move around. I just want, when you click on it, just want something to happen. Or a message that pop up that prevents you something. If you spam it probably like 3, 4, or 5 times, like you're frustrated or you wonder what's going on, and you spam it, maybe I'll pop another box like the background over everything with a text in it that's saying that you need to be on a checkpoint plate. I'm not sure the name I'll give to the checkpoint plate. I'm speaking about those bad boy. Those are my checkpoint plate. So yeah. But I'm not sure how I want to do it. So yeah, if you spam it like 5 times or so, maybe more, maybe less, a small box will appear with a message saying you need to be on a checkpoint plate. I'm not sure, do I put a red box? Do I keep a blue box? Because red on blue, it's kind of But that said, let me just. That said, the blue box on itself will be a little too, how can I say, muddy together, if you know what I mean. I also have, I don't know if I show shown. I don't know if I shown it on stream, but when you lose all your health, let me just die quickly. The color. Oh, you're not saying that. Sorry. Yeah. The color of the HUD will change. Now it's blue. See, when you die, it's red. And it stay red like this till you get back to your pumpkin butt. So. I could use a similar box. Or I could use a box like this and slab it over. What do you think? I would like people to rush to tell me what they think. But this ain't happening now. So what do I think? What do I think? You know what? I'll try the red box. Probably use both visuals for the perk menu and the weapon menu. I'll try the red box, see how this look, and I'll try to box the regular box. So let me open perk, the perk as separate, and let me get the sub menu. Yep. And just let me merge it down. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pixels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's straight in the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's straight in the middle like this. Let me get rid of that. So if I put something like this, it will be like kind of here. Or do I put it on top of everything in the middle? Like a annoying pop-up. That could be interesting. That could be interesting. That could be interesting. What do we think? Can maybe try it. It's about Oh, I can just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, oh, sorry. So did I move it there, or did I put it somewhere in the middle, or just over here? Here with an error message. Oh, I kind of dig this. Maybe make the rest of the menu darker? Do I? Now if you click A, it get away. I'll probably do something like this. Sorry. I have a message, I have a little text over there. What if I do it in red? I'm gonna put it about here. Two. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a space. Okay. Alright. So make a new layer. Error menu shadow. Just make it pitch black. And just play with the opacity. Maybe. What if I cut it like this? Can I invert? Not like this. Add to the selection? No. Oh. Subtract from the section. Yeah. I'll do this too. What if I do something like this? I think that's kind of cool. Don't you think? Just removing some that. Trimming the corner. Alright. Intersect. How do I invert selection? Adjacent pivot, intersect, section. No, control. Inverse. So yeah, the menu darken when you have the pop-up. I'm not sure actually. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. How should I do it? Maybe if I put it in red. Oops. Just let me get another UI. Here. All right, and oh nice, this is the annoying part. Why are my where are those colors coming from? Should I use them? I guess so. Fine. Save that as default. Save that. Just gonna save my palette. I guess I'll just add those colors. Oh, what about this one? It also doesn't exist. Okay. Oops. File. No. Save palette as default. Save palette. as, explore your palette. Yes sir. Don't say. Load default palette. Here you go. Now I need to do a darker shade of alright, it's not too hard on the eyes. Could write in it. Yeah. What if I write the E, air, air, O, air. No. The air, air, oh, air. I could shrink it a bit. I could do also some until oops. I misclick it. Could do some line like this. Or even some palette as default. Save palette. Yes, I could do some maybe, and maybe a little. How does it look in the game? Okay, I could do something like this with a slight angle. Or I could even make it come from here. Or I could make it come from here. Something like this, yeah. Shoot, this open that. Oh, I could make it come from down there. I have my other perk. I have a description. Could come from about here. Come here, plug onto the menu. Make the menu higher here instead of lower. Oops. Oh yes, yes. And I could put the description. What am I doing? I'm doing everything, so what I need to do. Alright. The arrow should probably be written in white. I'll start by making a beautiful error. If I go to the start menu, well, you don't see them. Oh. I didn't really do nothing too fancy for the... Okay. You don't see it, but I do have a... Oh, this is ugly. Just let me get rid of this. Alright. Two, 5, 5. Okay. I'll change. I'm kind of tired of it. Yeah. You don't hear the music, but I do. And I was kind of tired of it. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Tree. I'll make oh, sorry about that. I don't want to make it too fancy, but I still want to make it a bit fancy. You know? Maybe like this. Maybe it's a bit too big. I want to squeeze it a bit more, yeah. I'll make it two. Three, 4. 3, 4. I guess so. something like this. About like this. Use R. Something like this. I could shrink that. No. I'll do something like this, but yeah, what about this? It was better fatter. Yeah. Like this, perhaps? Something like this, maybe? Make the R a bit quirky, no? Like this, perhaps? Oh. Yeah. Some tree. And my hoe. Eh boy. Hup boy, how am I gonna do this? With skill? Yeah. What if I think his sprite doesn't know much either. Eesh. I'll just make it myself then. Don't make it higher than this. Like that. Like that. Because I want to cut it in the middle too. I want a bigger cut in the middle. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Yes. higher here, lower there, there. I'll just take them a bit closer. Okay, what if I cut this? Yes, yes. Of course I'll take it. Oh, no, what the fuck is that? I'll take it a bit closer. Oh, even maybe more. Yeah, some. It's like not enough on the side, but this is too much on the side. I'll make it a tiny bit bigger. I'll make it a tiny bit closer. No, yes. No. I'll make like this. And I could use, oops, something like this. No. No. Got the pain. This bone. Two. Something like this, yeah. Three. Something like this, yeah, yes. Two. God damn it. Alright. Let me check something in game. Okay. Oh, did a connection? Did I lose connection? Yeah, I think I did lose connection. Yeah. Anyway, it's not like somebody gonna watch, so it's not too bad. If people watch later on the YouTube, that would be pretty cool. Okay, so now let me check. I want to see a sub-menu. Okay, so I'll make it smaller. Alright, let's go to the base. Alright. Oopsie. What? Weird. That's cool. That's cool. Now I need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be about here. Is it? So on just over the edge. Yes. It's 3 by 3. 3 by 3. I don't know. 4. Wait, no. Okay, just one. Six. Six? No. Okay, it's 7. It's 7. I'm not even sure if I like this, to be honest. Watermelon. Is this? Yeah. I just need to check something out. Yeah, alright. Error. Alright. You know what? Think this is better used as like this and the sub menu. Could pop up another miss. Alright. How the fuck do I export that? So it's going to look a bit. Did I close Godot? I always do that. Jeez. I could just make a function. Sorry, I'm silent. I'm thinking. I'm wondering how I'm gonna how to say I'm gonna code it, everything. I'm starting to think I may do its own sub menu, like a menu over the menu. But then I think it's starting to get on the chaotic side of things. Because let me just... Sorry for the black screen. Let me just pop... because I have the pose menu. But I don't think making it part of the pose menu is gonna really be the best. My cat is looking at me right there. Oh, I know. You're kind of annoying, Seki. Yeah, come on. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. She doesn't want to say hi to the camera. I know what she wants. She just wants to be on me. Yes. What am I gonna do with you, kitty cat? So yeah. But then I don't think it's bright either to make it part of every sub-menu. It could just be the error menu. Then I have a lot of file management to do. Not really, in fact. Not much. This stream is kind of boring, I guess. Because let's me pop the perk menu. Because all its work, I have the input even. Yeah. I'll probably just open the menu over here. And the other menu will be pretty simple, just that. And trigger the perk menu close and yada yada. But yeah, but then I have to perk menu close. What is perk menu close? Perk menu close, focus exit. Did I put it at the end? No. Where's the perk menu close function? Perk menu close, yeah. Ah. Could make a function of the pose menu. But I should make sure the visual is what I want. Which is not the case right now. Oh jeez, what am I gonna do, kitty? Because in the best case scenario, it should also not close by its own. But I don't want to make it too complicated. I really want to make it simple. Oh my god. What does it look like in my pose menu? Because why does it appear? Because I added as a child, I think. Get guarantee. Oh no. Yeah, I just added as a child. No big D. So I can still access function of the environment. So I could make a function on the pose menu that the child could, I could just make a signal that the child can send. Yeah, I could just make a signal. The parent pop a visual like it block. Then it get back to normal, just an animation. But then my visual that I did is really not what we want to see. I could make just a symbol, just a word, just a big pop up in the screen. Yeah, maybe. Let's try something else. I kind of like the shadow. The black shadow, I do like it. I think I'm gonna leave it. When you press it, there's an error. Probably make an animation to smooth it out. But yeah, cool. Make just call it 01. And just hide it. Copy the text. Make a new layer. Call it 02. Yeah, instead I can just do a big whoopsie symbol. With a little animation, a little something that is looking quirky. Come, no. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. Like a no. Kind of triangle that appear over everything. Word access error. Something like this, maybe. I could even put it white. I could use the red stuff also. Error. Put the word error in. Wow, this song is not good. Let me. Just let me swap my music. It's really not a good song. It's awful. Yeah. Let's do something way better. Alright. Just flash. Ah, but something more with more soul will be better, don't you think? Let me do a quick Google search. Pixel on access denied. Nothing great. I could use, yeah, the same kind of visual. Oopsie. Make the middle. Wait a minute. No. Yes, conscience. It's open. It's open by a tiny bit here. So yeah, something like this. Make a line in the middle. Use the same kind of visual. Same kind of visual as everything else. Yes, yes. Could we use the same writing as the main menu? Is it better? This could be a function that it's called on the father, on the pose menu. On the parent, sorry. Then an animation play. When the animation finishes, it's just one animation pop in one animation, no button press. Could be good. Could be simple like this. What do we think? What do I think? Could be usable for every menu. Mainly the weapon and perk. Cool. Just to make it a bit more sci-fi, just cut the corner like this, yeah. Just to say it's sci-fi. It's already it's silly how it works. Yeah, I think we have a champion, don't we? Text 01. Let's make another layer. Call it x02. Let's go, I'm down. Just need this over there. I'll close Godot. Ah, it's closed with it. Let me just open Godot. You won't see it, but I need it for ref. I want to check something out. I just wonder. Alright. No, you don't need to see this. Okay. Let's try. Start by the text. First, let's get rid of this part. We won't need this. Then, let's start with the air. No, let's start with the O. Like this. Let's clear it 2 space. 1, 2. Yeah, perfect. Bankai. I don't know what Bankai mean. Two pixel. Is it that much? Yeah, 2 pixel, 3 pixel. Air. Alright. Just need to make a he. I don't have a he yet, so... Are my hair as thick? No, my hair are not as thick as my hoe. So they can be a bit thicker. Or just like this. What if I put it a bit slimmer? It's way too slim. What if I put it a bit thicker? It's too thick. Okay, like this. I'll probably do something. Yes, talk about nice looking stuff. Okay, now that's the thing I ate. To make it equal. Two. Obviously, it doesn't work. Don't you like when it can't work? Okay, but I won't make a fuse, I'll just deal with it. Do I do this? Yeah, it's better. Alright. Now, if I'm going... Like I said, it isn't base, so... Let me just put it up there. I hate having They weren't too hard to do. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run with this, so... At least for now, if I have to redo, I'll redo it after. Doesn't matter. Okay. So for the base, I'm just gonna... you know what, I'm just gonna get rid of this color, get rid of this color also, and I'm gonna first, this is supposed to be, I'll make it like this. Two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Alright. No. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. This is the base. Well. No, I have to just cut this into an half. How? Alright, this is the middle. No. Alright. I need this bar. No. I need this bar. Alright. This doesn't look as long too. Is it as long? It is as long. God damn it. I guess this is about as fine as I will have. It does look fine. That's no, I'm not sure exactly. For one obvious reason. Because this is wow. I never knew I could do that. You know what? Ah, shh. No, that's why I wanted to do this way. Because I may be wrong. But I'll just go with my mouse. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, this is better. Sorry, I got a lot of concentration when I'm doing stuff like this. But yeah. There you go. It's not fully done yet, obviously. I still have to do this. I hope it's gonna smooth thing out a bit. I find it a bit chaotic looking, but pixel art and angle is always a bit iffy. Especially if you're not the greatest at it. It's like a bit rough over here. I may change it a bit. I'm not quite sure I like the angle. But that said, I don't hate it. It's a bit iffy. What if I could even do... I think it's smoothing out a bit and it's better. Yeah, it does smoothing out a bit. This color is not great. Let me just... I need it to be darker, but... I need it to be pleasant for the eyes. I think this is way better. I don't like this red. It's like a burnt orange, but that doesn't safe palette as the fit. Palette, where are you? Alright. This is the middle one. No, not on the base. We'll do it on the text. Because the base will be a semi-transparent. That's why I don't want to do it. Like, check this out. You see, it's really fade, but it's a bit transparent. It's only for that. I didn't consider the... I'll pop up the text a little bit. So, I'll even pop up another shot. Okay. Two. So, 2. Alright. Now something like this. It's really not fun looking. I could make the symbol a little bit fancy to add some sci-fi element to it. But how? Let's start by making it more of a brown dot. I could make some fancy element like this. I could just slide it in 2. Nah, that make it too obviously. I could also just make the corner like this. By making it more smooth on the edge. Make it kind of more sci-fi-ish. I could also lower it and make some funky line. Just so slightly bump the corner, not that much. 2, 2. Lower. Make it larger and thinner on the base. I could also just make this. If I added this corner, 1, 2, 3. I don't know why, I have the feeling I need to make it bigger here. Right, it's annoying me. Could just also make the space bigger here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of better. Now just fix that. Make it a bit round, maybe? What about here? What if I add just to make it look I think just a little just something stupid like this, make it a bit more just to make it a bit more sci-fi. It's a bit silly, but why the heck not? I think this is fine. Does it look fine? It does look fine to me. We'll run with it. Now, you know what? Give me 2 seconds, I'll just I'll just fill my water. me do. Nobody's watching. I'll do some export on stream. That's no big deal. If you're watching this later, sorry, it's boring to watch, and I need a lot of concentration, so I'll probably shut up for a little bit. That said, I don't think it would be hard to export this one. In fact, I think it'd be pretty short and sweet. Pose menu. How do I name those? Pose menu, base. It's gonna be menu, pose menu, error menu. Okay. File. So menu, pause menu, error menu, checks. Okay. I'll manage this in Engine. SHA. Alright. Now I need this. So now I'll just move you. Yeah, sorry for the dark screen. I'll pop up Godot. Just gonna move you down there, guys. Just gonna close this. So I need this, and this. Copy. Menu. Pause menu. Pass, no. Error. Alright, that has been quick. Finally, it wasn't that long. Pause menu. Datapad. I'll make a node 2D. Don't keep it on top there. I'll call it error menu. Oh my god. Sprite. We'll call it shadow base white. Wait, okay. One thing at a time. I'll put text. Sprite screen, sprite base, okay. Name. Sprite text. Yes, sir. Base. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Does it can be like get luck? I cannot like this. Yeah. Get luck. Get luck. Ah, I see. Just adjust this something real quick. It need to be child from the database. Yes. No, should work. If I pop it, it doesn't work. Why? Shows that. Real safe sim. Obviously, we have to remove the light mask, but why don't I see them? Sorry. I don't get why I don't see them. Okay. Close. Why I don't see them? I'll start by doing this. Alright. It's totally not a bug, I promise. Okay. I'm fine with it, but why when I put a child of Vim, I don't see them? I'm perplexed. What the actual... What? No. No, scale 1. They all have a scale of 1. Ah. Was some kind of weird bug. Okay. Uh, 175. I see. So visibility. Just leave a light. Mass doesn't affect it. 175. So it should be a bit transparent. Seems about right. Seems about right. Alright. Now I want to check another menu. I want to check the perk menu. I want to check this summoning base. Or not, sprite base? Wait a second, I'm confused. Oh, is it the wall? I think it's a wall menu. No? Is it in the animation? 100. Where the fuck does the visibility change happen? Okay. This is a sum menu, yeah. What's new? Don't save nothing. Yeah. What the heck? Where is this visibility coming from? I'll check the weapon menu, maybe I'll make it clearer for me. I don't have a problem. Sprite base. You don't have. What the? There's no modulate nowhere. I don't see it. Where the actual? Is it from this one? I'm confused. Let me check on that separate. Weapon menu. I didn't open. What the? There is no transparency here. Where's the transparency coming from? The button are transparent. I don't get where the transparency is coming from. Is there transparency base? If I do this, do I have some kind of transparency? Obviously no. What the actual? There's transparency there. 225. How? Am I stupid? I think I'm stupid. 225. But I don't know what to tell. I guess 225. All right. Sorry, I'm looking. Well, I guess 225 ain't enough. 200 maybe. I think the red is way more hard to see through. So let me check. So the button should have. No, because the button. Yeah, they should have transparency. Do they have? Don't think I had. They do have. They do have. They're definitely not coming from them. Oh, do? Or are they all coming from him? Or from... For the other menu, I really don't know where the transparency is coming from. Sprite main base. It's just coming from them. So it does have transparency. No, it's self. No, it's modulate. So they do have transparency. So if I'm not mistaken, the perk menu either shouldn't have any transparency. Button either. Yeah. So 225. Go 185. Because of the dark texture, just pretty hard to see. I'll just put it at 150, and those two I'll just put it at 200. I think that's the best I can do. What about that? It's a bit too much for the... $225. I'll just keep at 225 both. 225, 225, and the shadow I'll dump it to 125. Yeah, I think that's fine. Alright, I think that's fine. Now I need to make another animation player. I need to do this. Alright, I'll make another animation. Alright. Submenu. I'll make make it error menu, open and close. Alright. FPS is on 12. No. Okay. New animation. Error. Menu. Open. 12 FPS. Make it 8 frame for now. New animation. Error. Menu. Close. 12 FPS. 8 frame. Say obviously. Alright. Close. Do I whoop the whole thing? I'll start with visibility. Yeah. Make another key, make it cubic, and just change this. It's way too long. 4 frame maybe? You know what? I won't even have 2 animation. I'll just delete this one. Rename. Activate. Just make sure. Alright. So it basically starts like this. I'll make it last 6 frame. So it'll be something like this. Yeah, no. It's gonna be, make it 8 frame. Ten frame. 12 frame. Per. Yeah, I think this looks fine. What kind of music can I listen to? Just theme. Alright, so now I'll make some adjustment. I'll make some adjustment in time. This one and this one, I want to move. I'll move it up. I can. So about 90, 70. Okay. 17. About 17. 20. This is kind of hard. 18. Okay. Marvelous. There. There. And shadow, we don't care. This is jarring. It is. What is the reset? Should be like this. Alright. I want to change the scale of those two. So yeah, create me a beautiful reset key, and same for you. Put it cubic. Make it like this. Insert key, insert key. Insert key. Insert key. Zero. Zero, zero. Zero, zero. Marvelous. New bin. Boom. Can I make it here? Because I want to make sure. If I put it in there. What if I put a key here that overshoot a tiny bit? 1.15, 1.15, 1.15, 1.15. You. $14. You. 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 1.1. 16. Yeah, that's... No, I like the snappiness of the... Alright. Oh. So, two. Alright. I think we're done for the visual for now. Sorry, I was kind of in the creative process, but anyway, there's nobody today, so... Alright. Set post date input. Function. Activate error menu pass. Alright. Let's say hi. Where you are. So now, sorry, I wasn't kind of bubble. I'm getting tired. It's the end of the day. Layer 3. So yeah, now I've done the function. I've done the visual. I'll just call the function from the other menu. I didn't do the function, but it's gonna take 2 seconds. Animation player. Look at this. Animation player dot play error menu activate. Alright. Now from the perk menu. Perk menu. Accept even. Do I already get the parent? No, I just sent a signal. Should I do a signal? Or just get parent? Haha. Yark. I'll just do that. Get. So get parent, get parent, get parent. I'll do this. I like this. This is so fucking. This is so scuff. It's so scuffed that I'll do this. Except even so, get parented, play. Heck. That activate error menu. Let's test this out. There you go. You know what? Alright. It does work. So I don't need this anymore. 225 to 25. 25 to 25. I guess it's alright. Scene, cell, scene. Alright. So, final test. I know I already tested. So yeah, you want to choose perk. Oops. Peep. And if you spam it, nothing happens. Well, let me put it in full screen. Could be a bit more snappy at the end. If you spam it, I'll probably even put a box. And if you go there, no problemo. Two. Fun. Oh, you know what? If I do this, everything would break. Because I think it will be cooler if it's child of this. It's kind of cooler, but can I bump this up? Let's try this out. Yep. Let's try. Why? Why? Does it clear the children? Oh. It does clear the children. That's not good. Print child dot name. I need to make an exception. Error menu. What? Error menu. Okay. If child name is not equal to error menu, try to keep it. Alright. So I don't need this. I don't need this. I'll bump up this one a tiny bit. So set post state. I'll just Q3. That's the only place I Q3. So I just need this. Alright. Scene, cell, scene, scene, cell, scene, scene, cell, scene, scene, cell, scene, scene. Alright, I think we're done. So alright, and if I go there, so if you ever watch this on YouTube, yeah, it worked, cool. So I just make one tiny modification. Where do it's been a while. Our perk costs over here. Perk. perk 01. This is where, okay, so 5, I'm gonna put it at 2. Perk cost 5 is equal to 2. Just want to bump it. I feel like it's a 2 cost perk. It will probably change, but I feel it's a 2 cost perk. Just wanted to change this real quick. See what I'm saying, see what I'm saying. Alright, so that's that. It's a big day of UI. For my last word, drink a lot of water. It's important. For my last word, for today, I mean, my head hurt. This was a big day of UI design. I hope I did everything. I don't know what to say for my last word today. It's weird speaking to a camera. Even if I know nobody's watching or seeing it, but it's kind of weird. It's gonna be weird, even weirder to check this in 5 years or so. I hope in 5 years this project is done. I really do hope. If me from the future, you watch this, keep up the good work. It's important. Do it for... I'm doing it for you. So do it for you of the future. What can I do? I hope everything is fine. I know things look rough. I hope things didn't get worse. But stay strong. It's important. For your family. For your love. I hope in 5 years I have children. I really do. If you don't have children in 5 years, do them now. Okay? But this stream is about game dev, not life advice, but yeah, moving in life is pretty hard. I guess keep training. I hope you've kept training, but still keep it. Do it all your life till you drop dead. I think it's a good thing to do. I hope you're more muscle than this. What could I say? I hope you've enjoyed those last 5 years. I hope I'll enjoy my future 5 years. I know they're gonna be rough. I know they have a couple challenge upcoming, but still, it's weird to think because it's such a mountain. It's so much stuff to do, but each day I'm grinding slowly, and getting somewhere, I think. Oh, sorry for my alarm. You know what this means? It's the end of the day. I think my English have improved a little tiny bit. I hope it did. I'll get back at this tomorrow morning, as I'll do for, I don't know, ever. Like I said, I'm not a streamer or YouTuber. I want to be king dev. I really want to be a king dev. I have a whole God damn it. I have a whole world in my head that I really want people to explore and enjoy. I know it's not what it used to be gaming. It's not as new and as fresh. It's not exciting. People are looking kind of bored of it, even. But still, I want to do this for me. I hope if I'm speaking to my future self, I hope if someone else listens to this, I wish you well. I wish you live. I wish you're able to run after your dream. It's important. It's important to just do what you're told to do. It's important to live. It's not easy. Getting after your dream is freaking hard. But it's important. Anyway, I'll just end this there. Wish you well. Like I said, I'll be at this tomorrow too. Not sure what I'm gonna work on tomorrow. I'll say the same thing that the last time, even if it was far from what I've worked on, but I'll probably try to not do coding. I'll probably do some art asset. I have a couple of stuff on the back burner again. We'll see tomorrow. So take care and keep smiling.